There are around 24 common causes for hair loss and hair thinning, including stress, skin infection, medications, age, heredity, and sudden change in diet. Whatever your case may be, the remedies on this list, when used regularly, can help you to regrow or thicken your hair. 1. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is one of the most important hair oil. It is one of the few oils which maintains moisture and shows antibacterial features due to lauric acid. Coconut milk is also an important natural product which has tissue nourishing features and effective to control reducing of hair. 2. Olive oil. Olive oil is rich in nutrients and antioxidants, which are good for hair and promoting of hair follicles. Olive oil has adequate amount of vitamin E and unsaturated fatty acids. 3. Almond oil. One of the best natural tips to make your hair strengthen and strong is to use some oil massage. Almond oil is full of nutrients like vitamins E and D, minerals like iron, calcium, and magnesium. Massaging with almond oil is effective in curing of hair thinning. 4. Lavender oil. Massaging with lavender oil is good in reducing hair fall naturally due to its antioxidants properties. Lavender oil is associated with antifungal and antiseptic properties. It controls dandruff and itching too. 5. Basil. Basil has anti-inflammatory properties, strengthens hair against breakage, and improves circulation in the hair follicles to stimulate new growth. Try this recipe for a basil-infused herbal rinse. If you have any question, then discuss in our community or comment, like, share and subscribe our channel to get more videos.